Okay, and we're off to a good start. A couple quick wins using this ultimately easy beginner strategy that anybody can do. Honestly, we're using 3 moving averages and the stochastic oscillators as confirmations to see where we are in the charts and what we're doing with this trend. So, what is this? What are we going to do with it? All right, on my YouTube channel, if you look right here, these 2 videos right here that I posted over the last 8-10 days ago are the ultimate beginner's guide for consistently growing your account. 1, 2, 3, 4% daily. That's all you need to compound so that you can effectively grow your account over time. Are you going to have losing days? Sure. But we want to manage those losing days with a money manager tool. And what is the money manager tool? Well, it is called the Ultimate Money Manager. And what it does is it manages your funds for you so that you can focus on the charts. Okay, what is this going to do for you? Well, what you're going to do is you're going to put in your starting balance. So my starting balance tonight is $314.43. How many trades am I going to have to do in order to get my daily target? Well, I am going to go for I'm going to go for 1 of 6. And my goal is to earn a simple 1.23%. This is my current levels. This is what I want to do. This is how much I want to earn today. So I'm doing a quick update because I want you guys to go and watch the other 2 videos that I posted over the past week and a bit, okay? Because they have a full breakdown. This is just giving you a quick update. What is it? How does it work? Because I want you to go ahead and give this a try. And I want you to comment below if it's working. Comment on the other videos too. Let me know. Also, come over to the Telegram group. The Telegram group is full of people just like yourself. A lot of people that are learning and gaining experience out of our Telegram group. We are here to help you learn how to trade. Understanding candles, understanding trends, understanding indicators. We post an educational series on a regular to update you on what things are, what they mean, and how they work. So come on over to the Telegram group, like and subscribe to the channel. It'll go a long way. I appreciate that. Okay, back to the Ultimate Money Manager. What is our goal? Our goal is to only win 1 out of 6. So let's go ahead and enter 419 into our pocket option. So 4.19. Okay, so here's our dollar amount. How is this set up and what are we going to do? Well, we are currently set up with 3 moving averages. The first one is a 2 SMA and that is white 2 pixel. The second one is a 5 SMA and that is a teal 2 pixel so that we can see the colors. And then the third is 100 SMA and again red with 2. And why do we have the 100? Well, it just shows us trend where we are above or below. Our goal is we either want to buy and or sell above or below the red line, or we can catch trend reversals where the stochastic oscillator is oversold or underbought. And what is stochastic oscillator values? Well, it's a 5 period, okay, 3, 3. Here's the difference. This is what I do. I change this from 80 to 85 and 20 to 15. Why? The 85 gives me a higher range and the 15 gives me a lower range. So when I am outside both of those zones, I have a better confirmation that I'm oversold or underbought. All right, so that's how you're gonna do that there. So go ahead and set that up. I'm just gonna hide these so you can see more of the chart. Why do you see 2 here? The one on the left is what we're gonna trade with. The one on the right is giving us some trend confirmation. What is it? Well, we set this to a 3-minute standard, 3-minute time, 3-minute candles, standard candles, okay? So that we can see what we're doing in the trend. We can see what the stochastic oscillator is doing, that this white has crossed the teal. Again here, what are we doing here? Well, clearly we're on a downward momentum, which you can see right here, and the white has crossed the teal, and we have a little zigzag jump back up. So what we want to do is we want to either find reversals or we want to trade with the trend. Okay, first things first, make sure that you're on a 92% chart. And what we're going to do is we're going to make both of these charts the exact same. Okay. Wow, this looks like it could be a very big reversal. Hold on here. What do we got to get? So we got to win 1 and we're bet 419. Look at, we are way undersold, and so is the 3-minute, way under. So let's just give this a second to see what it's doing. And okay, we got a quick little turn. So why are we buying this one? Well, we're buying this one on the reversal. I believe, by looking at this chart that potentially, well, all things considered, indicators considered, that we are undersold here. And both of these, the 3-minute and the 30-second, are both showing that this should be maybe hitting the bottom. Again, this could go a little bit further, but we had this massive push down, which could be even more push down. But what we are going to anticipate is that with these big wicks here at the bottom here, that this is going to be a reversal and we are going to make our way up. Again, all things considered, this looks like a good trade. So we're going to go ahead and let this play this out. We got 15 seconds left. Let's bring in our ultimate money manager so we can see here. 419, we only had to win one. To get our percentage today. Again, with this current simple strategy, if you can win 1% a day, there's a win. That's it. Hallelujah. We'll take it. So we go ahead and we enter a win here, and we enter a level here, and we are done for the day. Why are we done for the day? Sure, we can continue to trade. Sure, we can make more trades. Absolutely. But what I want to show you is how fast compounding works. So let's go to the 90-day growth chart. We're going to enter in our starting amount, which was 315. So we're going to do, we're just going to make this super simple. So we're going to do 315. And our goal is to win, let's call it an easy 1% per day. Let's just call it 1% per day. So if you want to win 1% per day, and this shows you 30 days, 90 days of trading. This could be 90 different sessions. This could be 90 different sittings. You can do this 3 times a day. You can do this 4 times a day. You can do this once a day. You can do this once a week. Excuse me. These are 90 different trading sittings, okay? So you start with 315, you make 1% in a sitting. You do 90 sittings, you're at $362.68, or earning a daily of 7.56. And this is your monthly growth here. So let's say we put in 315 and we want to make 30% per month. There we go. So our 315 turns into 409. After 6 months, we are at $1,500. And you could be earning $350 per month if you were to compound and get this up to there. Now, you might want to take some profits along the way, sure, and you can totally do that. You can edit this chart. So if you made 2%, 4% one day, you can go ahead and edit this chart, and then it will change and compound for you. So it's a great tool for you to manage your funds. So that's it. That's real quick, okay? Just wanted to show you how that was going to work, so that you can focus on trading with the chart, so that you can focus on picking the candles, picking the strategies, okay? Check out the strategies that I just showed you. Come over to the Telegram group. I got people just like you that want to learn, that are learning every single day how to read candles, how to understand trends, charts, indicators, okay? It's not just as simple as just entering information and hoping for the best, red, green, all that jazz. No. There's lots that goes into it, all right? I appreciate you stopping by. Come on over to the Telegram group, like and subscribe to the channel. Have yourself a good night. Bye.